In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Amex points on Amazon. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find the option to spend your Amex points inside of Amazon by going over to the official American Express website at www.americanexpress.com. When you arrive at this page, select Rewards at the top and then click Redeem Points at the left. You will be redirected to this page where you can see all of the available categories in which you can spend your points. All you have to do here is select the search bar at the top of the screen and look for Amazon. When you search for Amazon, you will be redirected to the search results, and the first option that should pop up is Amazon. If you don't see Amazon, it probably indicates that Amazon is not available on your region for exchange with Amex points, but as you can see on the Canada website for American Express, Amazon is available. After you click the page, you will be able to see the terms and conditions and how to redeem your points. As you can see, when you click Amazon Shop with Points, you will be redirected to the Amazon website, where you can link your membership rewards account and use your points to purchase anything you wish on the website. As you can see, when you click Shop with Points, you will be able to enroll a new card, your American Express card, and receive the membership rewards that can be exchanged on the website. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Amex points on Amazon. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.